Yo, Sean, can you see the clock down there and tell me what time it is?
Um, 1897?
That doesn't really sound like a real time.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure that's military time, man.
Try again?
Tool time?
Nope.
Party time?
Nope.
Miller time?
Now that's just ridiculous.
New York Times? LA Times? Chicago Tribune?
Those are all just newspapers.
Land Before Time?
Wow, wow, wow.
Nap time?
Just look at the goddamn clock! Doesn't even sound like words.
Time Warner Cable?
I'm beginning to think you can't really tell time.
No, dude, I can definitely tell time. If I couldn't tell time, why would I be wearing this watch? Hammer time?
Break it down.
Keep going.
Stop. Hammer time.
You know what, man? I'm just gonna check the time myself, because you obviously don't know what the fuck you're doing.
How about?
Dude, it's 4:20.
Yeah, boy.
Rastafari rhythm. Rastafari mood. Rastafari.